Hello, my name is Farnaz Nouraei from Northeastern University, and I'll be presenting Thinking Outside the Box, Non-Designer Perspectives and Recommendations for Template-Based Graphic Design Tools. Digital graphic design tools are often used by non-designers who have little to no expertise in design. In many of these tools, templates are used to scaffold the design process and help users get started. Templates are expert-made designs that a user can edit for their purposes. In this work, we ask whether the current interactions with these tools are adequately supporting all non-designers in experiencing a creative and satisfactory design process. To address this question, we recruited 10 non-designers to participate in a within-subject think-aloud study, where they designed an advertising poster for a fictitious clothing store. We used Adobe Express as an example of template-based tools. We required participants to use some image and text materials. To explore the effects of exposing users to multiple versus a single template, we included 2 tasks in the study. The first task gave them the option to choose from among 9 different templates, while the second task required using a single pre-selected template. After each task, we interviewed participants about their design process and experiences, and analyze the data using rapid qualitative analysis. The main themes that emerged are listed here. First, in task 1, where participants had a choice among templates, they used them in 2 ways. Some participants used them as inspiration, borrowing ideas or assets from multiple, which we call a mix and match approach. Other participants took one template and used that as a guide and starting point, which we call a customization approach. Second, selecting the templates was found to be an important design step that deeply impacted the extent of exploration in other stages of design. Third, we found that most participants felt they were dealing with finalized designs when interacting with templates, which led to fixation, especially as users limited their explorations in the fear of making a mistake. Finally, participants measured their own sense of creativity based on how much they had contributed to a design. At the same time, they actively chose design paths that would lead to the least level of efforts, highlighting a trade-off between a sense of creativity and productivity. We derived 3 recommendations for designing interactions with template-based graphic design tools based on our findings. Please see our paper for details. Thank you for your attention, and please feel free to reach out with any questions or comments.